Hi viewers! Baka meron kayong tanong, paano mag-edit ng content or yung video na ginawa mo? Um, Una, pumunta ka sa dashboard mo. Pagkatapos, from your dashboard creator, first is creator. Nasa gilid yun, in your right side. Pagkatapos, makikita mo yung creator studio na to. Nakita nyo ba yung arrow? Or, sandali kung nakita nyo yung arrow. Nakita nyo ba yung arrow ko? Ayun, yung arrow. So, ito yon creator studio here. And then, bababa ka dito sa video manager videos. Yun, hanapin mo yung video mo na dapat mong i-edit. And then, you will click to your editing. I-click mo yung edit box. Pagkatapos, i-click mo ito. Enhancements. Pagkatapos nun, i-edit mo siya. Pero kung hindi mo ma-edit, yung kasi merong mga bagay na hindi mo talaga siya ma-edit sa mga region na yon, kung hindi mo siya ma-blurred, i-private mo na lang siya. Sabi ni YouTube dito na keep your video private if you aren't happy with the preview. Kasi sa kanila, nare-review naman nila yung nakikita. And in some cases kasi, pag naggawa tayo ng content, lalo na sa akin, nag-IRL ako, and it could not be avoided na yung nasa labas could not be avoided that outside there are families who have get together outside, and of course there is kids around. So that's the same way also happened to me. If I go out with my daughter, it happened to me that my daughter will go run, she bike fast, and I told her that, well, she must not be away in that video footage, but it's a kid. So um yeah, my kid is belong to me as a family, but for the content, gusto natin, we want to blur their faces, but what if we can't? So now YouTube said you can keep your video private. Pwede mo siyang i-private mo na lang siya kung nagawa mo na yun. Okay? And it's okay kung hindi ka happy doon. And just also look the your videos for rolling of your threshold. Nakikita nyo yun, ito. Ito ang tinatawag ko na speed, speed view. Kasi pwede mo siyang slow, then you can stop that and want to watch the whole, or want to watch at that, for example, kung yung video is mahaba, pwede mo din siyang tingnan at the middle, pwede rin doon. Wag naman po yung hanggang dyan lang, kasi parang hindi naman yun makatao, guys. Alam nyo naman na tayo nagbibigayan po ng tinapay. So, kami dito na sa ibang bansa nagbibigay, pina-prioritize namin yung nasa Pilipinas dahil alam namin na ang pera is dumudoble doon at nakatulong. But in this case, ito ay isang tutorial po paano i-blur ang iyong mga nagawang content sa video mo. Kung ayaw mo siguro ayaw mo makita yung mukha mo dahil ayaw mo yung tsura ng ipin mo or tsura ng ilong mo, maybe you can also blur yourself. You know? It's also possible. But for kids, it's not, yeah, kids, if not family videos, you can escape for that and put it to private if you don't want to. And you can also put into how do you call this one, to escape in the comments. Kung ayaw nyo na mayroong magkokomento sa anak nyo, pwede mong i-escape yung comment area. And for this, yun ang sabi na pwede mo siyang i-edit. You see? Edit. And for in here in this enhancement, edit mo from here in this enhancement at tingnan mo kung ano ang gusto mong i-edit. Pagkatapos, press this one for custom blurring. For example, this. And then it will load. See? And you can escape that one. You don't want to hear about that. Anyway, this is from my video, so that's okay. And you can look where it is. And just look where to put the blur. Now, I accidentally put this one, But you can put anywhere this one. The only thing is I could not put the blur to the top where the portion of this editor's how we call this one, this editor lines. I will say this is the editor lines here. It goes also top. So you can go there and there if you like. We will see the blurring is example like that, and you can blur it, and then just to look where it is. You must be proud. This is your beautiful country. And then for example, if you want to edit from this line, you will look my screen to that view to there, so that in that case there's nothing to blur that in that area. I'm just looking, but this one, it takes a lot of work. You have to give your time and effort if you want to edit. But if you don't want, you can either private. And I just noticed here in YouTube that it is also possible that if, example, you have a content that you create outside that it has third party music, you can change that to divert into an audio library in YouTube. In other platform, what they did is in every portion where there is a third party, they gonna mute that. And but then why they don't do that, because yeah, I know that it's a lot of work and it's our job as well to do, because yeah, this is what we make for our content. So yeah, um this ito yung line timeline dito, at ikaw na kung saan mo i-blur yung for example yan, i-blur ko siya at i-stretch parang ganon, no? For example, I don't want to see that. And then next, maybe, and then yeah, just to look back to your video, for your video what you make, and then when you're done, it's done. Then you can either publish to public, or if you are not contented, i-ano na lang nyo, itago nyo na lang, i-private nyo na lang. So yun lang po siya, guys. Yun lang po. At kung sana may natutunan kayo sa akin kahit konti, at yun ang pag-edit. At hanggang dito na lang, at ano ko sa description yung kunting detail na yun. At sana natutunan nyo ito. At ito'y nakakatulong sa mga nagla-live sa labas lalo. It helps me because I live stream outside, and I know there's a lot of from other platform who also do IRL streaming. So I understand to also to them, but yeah, we can change the way we want to change. So it's up to us if we want to publish or not. Pero ito yung sinasabi ko na tutorial na you can go to your creator studio, go to your video manager, look for your video in the video, and then go to the custom blur edit, and then just to look for the timeline in your video, and there you gonna blur or you gonna edit. Yeah. But if you have a family content, I think there's a consideration with that for the G-rated, and yeah, you can opt to publish. And yeah, sana guys natutunan nyo to. Don't forget to like and press the notification bell and to subscribe. Pasensya na po hanggang ngayon. My voice still, still husky. But anyway, this is from the weather. I always have this. And in the winter, it's better with my voice. But anyway, until then, thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and thank you so much for viewing.